Hello, this is Tom Sillis, CEO of wetcrow.com, WTCROW. You'll find all the information in the link below the video. The topic of this video is furniture assembly jobs. Now, now here's what happens. You can either be a handyman and do it, or you could be furniture assembly. We do a lot of that in the Philippines, so we're launching that. We got to put the pricing in. We're in the process of doing that, but we've been doing it manually in the Philippines, because we collect cash. So our investors now requiring us to do everything online, because we got to be able to prove that we made the money, because they're going to invest in us. So we have to deposit the money in the bank. We have to show the jobs. We have to reconcile them, that we can show the investor when they take 1 week and check it, they're going to see that we have everything reconciled, that we paid the money back out to the person, via Gcash or whatever, and that we collected the money that we did the job for. As you well know, in Asia, everything is done COD, cash basis, for the 90% of the time, unlike the U.S. where everybody pays by credit card. In the Philippines, now in the rich areas, they do have credit cards, and we do get customers that pay by credit card now, which we like. It's a lot easier. It proves that we have the customer. But we do have a list of customers there. They're welcome to call them. The investors are welcome. They do their due diligence. They randomly pick 10. They call them and say, "Did wetcrow.com do the job?" And they go, "Yes, they did." We're becoming like the Lazada. Like Lazada is like Amazon is in the U.S. Lazada is like Amazon of the Philippines. Okay, they deliver stuff COD. They're in Singapore. They're from Singapore. They're in almost all the countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and I forget a couple more countries. I might have missed one, but just understand that they're all over Asia, and we're going to be doing the same thing, because there's a lot of money to be made here, and I have other videos I'm going to show that we have one Filipino making a lot of money working with us. So it's just you got to join us. You want to get online with us. So follow the instructions below. There's a link down below. It'll show you how to, you click on the link. You're going to go sign up, become a service provider. You're going to see the offer pop up. You're going to put in your city, type in the first 3 letters of your city, Singapore, SIN, and then little by little you'll see the cities pop up. And the more letters you put, the closer it gets to your city. Say you're in Manila, you're going to type in MAN until Manila, Philippines shows up. Like that. If you're Silang, Cavite, like that, you'll see that. Okay. Now that said, you're gonna on the offer, you're gonna pick your category. In this case, furniture assembly, if that's what you want to do. You pick that. You'll still be able to do other jobs, because we have handymen doing plumbing jobs and all that. But we don't do as many of those yet. We're still busy, because we're getting. We're in talks with Lazada to offer the services at back end to their to the thing. They're more amenable to working with us. Amazon, we kind of had a problem, because they got sued by the FTC, and they're terrified to move forward anymore, because they're afraid the government's going to shut them down or fine them severely. So we decided it's probably not a good idea right now. They got a lot of problems. If we take the stock from them, we're not going to make as much. We're going to end up losing money. So we decided we're going to go at it alone. We're going to make the company bigger. Then we'll maybe sell it. Who knows? Who knows what we're going to do? Maybe we'll keep it. You never know. Anyway, like I said, please subscribe to the channel first, and then subscribe to the channel. Please like this video, because that'll help, so we can get I can get this video. More people will see it. If you don't like the video and you don't subscribe, the video is not going to be shown by YouTube to more Filipinos. We want more Filipinos to see this, okay? And one thing, I only speak a few words Tagalog. Maraming Pera and Magadan Hapon. We want you on board. Join us. Salamat po. And if you're in other countries, not in the Philippines, we still urge you to join us right now, because we will be joining you probably within the next 6 months. So we're growing very rapidly. We're increasing our infrastructure. We have people from the other countries here working with us to get everything done for their. We have to put in the items for their country. Okay, so we'll explain that to you when when that's all done. Because when you come in from a city, we're only going to show you the stuff from your area. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, salamat po. The description down below. Like the video, subscribe, and follow the directions in the description below. Salamat po. Thank you. Salamat po.